Hello, it's Crafty Rhea. I'm so glad you're joining me today. What time is it? It's time to open an Lbeads unboxing. Lbeads is an online company that sells lots of scrapbooking things, diamond painting, jewelry making. They have all kinds of stuff. And I'm part of their YouTube program where they let me shop on their website and I make some videos for them, an unboxing video and 2 project tutorial videos. Lbeads also gave me a coupon code for you to use. It is MAJ3OFF. And that is 3% off of your order. Their prices are very reasonable to begin with, and you can get an extra 3% off. And I will put the links to everything and my coupon code link in the description box below. And I did want to let you know that the links are affiliate links. Okay, so let's start with the paper. I love glitter paper, so I found that they had some of this beautiful glitter paper on their website. I have gotten glitter paper from them in the past, but this was a different pack, and I wanted to grab a pack of it and see. You know, I love to use glitter paper when I recycle Christmas cards. And this says it's A4 glitter paper, and it's 10 sheets. So we have this really pretty gold, and this paper is so glittery, and it is, there's no glitter fallout, but it does have some texture to it, not very rough. It's beautiful blue, and this pretty green. It's a nice bright green, and this pink, and this dark gray. It's very pretty red. Now the red glitter doesn't show up very good on camera, but it is quite glittery. And this like fuchsia color, and this darker blue. Silver is absolutely phenomenal, and this is like a rose gold. So pretty. I love these colors. I'm very, very happy with this pack of glitter paper. And this pack of glitter cardstock was only $1.69 for these 10 sheets of paper. And let me see what they measure. They measure almost 12 inches, 11 3/4 by 8 1/4. So they're not a true A4, but they are pretty close. And the colors are stunning. They would be great to make card bases with, or the backgrounds for cards. And then I got some diamond painting stuff. They happen to have a whole bunch on their website, and I thought these were really fun. I found these little diamond painting pens, and they're the ones where you stick the tip in the wax, and you use them to put the diamonds on the photos. And there was this 2-pack. I thought they were so pretty. The pink floral. I don't have anything like this. I have just the plain ones that come with the kit. And this 2-pack was $1.73 for both pieces. So that is very reasonable. And they are super fun. And then I got this kit, which I am in love with. This is a diamond painting kit. And these are cupcake keychains. I haven't made keychains from diamond painting yet. So you get these 4 backgrounds and 4 keychains. You get the lobster claw and you get the chain. So I think the chain goes, I'm pretty sure the chain goes through the hole here. Yeah. And you put it through the lobster claw. And then you put the chain together. So you can make 4 of these keychains. Oh, and they're double-sided, so you have the design on both sides, and it looks like there's some bigger pieces in here. It comes with the little kit, which is the little pen, I'll call it a tray, and then some of that wax. Every diamond painting kit I have ever gotten comes with that. So that is pretty standard. After a while, if you do quite a few of these, you'll have millions of them. And then in here are all the gems for this kit. Let's open it up and take a gander because you know I love bling. These are really pretty. They're more blingy than usual. Usually they're just plastic. But these look like real bling. At least most of them do. We have all of these colors of bling. We have some of the larger size of the flat back pearls. And you know, those would be great on projects if you have some left over. They almost always give you extra. And we have some of these larger shapes in pink and in blue, and they're all numbered. So you could see like this is a 12 and that would fit on the 12. So that's pretty awesome. So I will put all of these back. This set of 4 cupcake keychains was $5.63. So it's an awesome deal, I think, for all that you get in this kit, because you can make 4 and those would be awesome gifts for somebody. You could make those and have them as stocking stuffers at Christmas time. You could also even use them as Christmas tree decorations if you want. And last but not least, my favorite item that I got in the haul, I think, is this 2-pack of clocks. They are butterfly clocks, and for both of them it was $9.01. So there are, like I said, 2 of them. One of the boxes came a little bit crushed, but the other box seems to be much better. So we have these 2 identical kits, and let me go ahead and open one of them up. And show you what is inside. This is the clock base. It is so awesome. I love that. So pretty. And it has a little hole. I don't know if you can, if it shows up, a little hole that would punch out for the clock mechanism. Of course, it has your obligatory toolkit. It has the bling, a little package of all of the different colors of bling that goes on this clock. And it has the clock kit. The all of the mechanisms and the workings of this clock. So I think what you do first is you put all of the gems on here, and then you put this on last. It has instructions. So it just gives you instructions that you gradually peel the clear backing off, and you go ahead and do your diamond painting as you normally would. And then when you are done, I would imagine is when you put the clock together. I might have to look at some other YouTube videos for people that have done the clocks. I think it's pretty easy, but I want to make sure I put it on right. I have never made a clock like this before. I have made clocks using a cheap clock that you buy at the store. I have remade those into really cool things, but this is totally different because you have the mechanism. I'm very excited to do this, and we will do this, most of it together. I will do a series of videos on how I started and then how we put the clock kit in it. Please do go check out Lbeads. They have wonderful things. Their prices are super duper reasonable, and their customer service has been excellent. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. If you haven't yet checked out my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea, I'd love it if you'd head on over there and check it out. The community there is really awesome. Also, if you like what you see, please do give this video a thumbs up and then click the subscribe button and the bell so you're notified when I upload more videos and the projects that I make with these goodies. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.